La bene trei lang no ka VPP bat ka sorkar namar kum urang ba lanai unong yalam jong ka VPP usutu balada omi trei lang bat ka sorkar kalong ka ba ya ka jingyo nong yalam jong ka VPP apo ka KHADC kumba ula kran hakawai ka jing interview jong kinong tok kubor keba ula ong ba ka VPP kam yale persya ya ka sorkar ka kwa ban ya trei lang bat ka sorkar Henry lada ka sorkar kaya lek persya ya ke BPP ru kalong ke bala krek bani lek persya ya ka sorkar uloang ba ka seng ka kwa bani trelang bar ka sorkar na ka benta ka jing mentoy jung upaj ba Henry uloang bawat la ka don ke jing skoper ka jing lek election Henry ka seng kam don daw bani lek persya ya ka NPP lane ya ka jing lek padang ke NPP bat ka BPP Ulaong kumba ki pajba ki legit ia ka BPP banwan ka borsin syar po ka KHADC Rai ka BPP kam kwa banele persya no kan ya ji hala ka jong kam barkan trei hala ka jong kam kum nong yalam barang ba usutu balada omi trei lang bar ka sorkar ka sisya ban penya ki kam ki jam po ka KHADC kumta ngingit baka sorkar bat ke seng BPP kan ya trei lang sirhem kanang ba kanong ka job hakikam borok kublai shibun.
I've been telling this for so many times, many occasions. Even after having won the MP election, we don't want to confront with the state government as far as the interests of the state and people is concerned. We will cooperate, which is why our MP is so actively involved, visiting places and take up many issues with the central government. Not to confront with the state government. So it's up to the state government. If they want to confront us, we are ready. But we don't want to confront. We want to work together for the development of the state, for the interests of the people of the state. We may have differences during election on principal matters, right? But when we come to governance, we don't want to create any problem. Or this is not a fight between VPP against NPP. It is a fight of principles and issues. So now the people have voted us to power, so we will just carry on our duty, not to confront anyone. But if someone stand the way, we have to fight.